Most accountants feel like the accounting job is not their favorite job. The reason is most of them have not mastered the skills which are necessary for them to navigate their work. Good example is Excel. Why do you need to master Excel? It will help you to navigate a lot of your work. For example, this month or the financial year of the government is ending 30th June, which most of the employees have to file their return. Now, as an accountant, have you issued the P9 form to these employees? The question is, how do you prepare this P9 form? A good question. So we have prepared for you a P9 form which it has the month, the basic salary, the non-benefit, the value of quarters, all these, and including SHA, housing levy, the chargeable pay, tax charge, personal relief, and you have the insurance. It is not, we don't have an HIF currently, but we have other relief. Remember, if you are contributing anything to the medical insurance, you are entitled to have a relief of 15% of the amount you're contributing. That's why you still need this column. You still need this column. And the last column is the pay tax, which this form we have automate this Excel form such that you don't need to do anything. So what you just need to do is to fill this data set. You see this data set? This is where after you prepared your payroll for the month of January, which you'll have to prepare this one. We have month, PIN of employee, name of employee, resident status, which this is basically what you copy in your P10 form. You remember the P10 form? This is what you have in your P10 form. So it is very simple. Once you prepare your CSV for P10 form, you will come and copy in this worksheet for every month. So you can see we are for every month. We are for every month. So this is your data set or the setup of your data. And then after that, once you have this, you'll also copy these two columns and paste it in another sheet, which it will enable you to get a summary of the employees or the exact number of employees you have from January to December. And then from there now, our P9 form can now work perfectly because we have all the set of data. How? If I come to the employee's name here and change to B employee, I get everything here change. You can see I have the basic salary of B employee, which if you go here, you will get a basic salary of B employee here. Yes, the value is 27,975.17. Is it the same with what we have it here? Yes. Let's see the month of Feb. So there was a change in month of Feb. Yes, this is the month of Feb. You can see also there is a change in the month of Feb. So let's see the month of March. Employee B, 44,493.36, which is the same you can see here. There is also another change in May. So if we go to May, there is another change in May. Employee B, yes, you can see there is another change in May. So which means the basic is okay. The total gross, the share, all these are okay. So this is the total chargeable pay, which it is coming from column K. This one, column K. And also we have it, the total tax calculated, which it is in column O. Can see it here. So this is now the one which you print and give it to your employees so that they can choose to file their return. Even though there is a pre-filled form nowadays, but you also need to give this one because it is requirement by the law. You issue this one, so you don't rely on the iTax data. So what happens if that employees go to court and say that you have never issued me this one? You will not rely on the other third party. So you have to do your job make the company comply, issue this P9, and then let the commissioner do the rest. Now, the good thing about this P9 form is that you don't need to be saving. I like going to file, save as a PDF. That is a long process. We have also simplified this payroll for you using a macro. You just need to click here, save as PDF, and you will find your PDF has been saved here. You can see there is a P9 form here. If we opened, here it is. That is B employee. What about if I change to C employee? So I change it here to C employee. Everything changes. I just need to click save. I'll get another one here. C, here it is. We have a C employee. I'll just pick another one again. D employee. Everything here change. I just need to click save as a PDF. So why don't you get this Excel template just with 1000 only in our link of the bio or in the link in the description of this video, and get yourself time to rest because of automation of Excel. Goodbye.